Hello guys, Foxy Weather here. I am now here, as you can see. Oh god, yeah, this bit's really flooded, and I can see that road bit closed, looks closed to me. Oh my god. Oh god. Yeah, this is really big flooding. Let's go. Yeah, this road's shut. This road's completely shut. Oh my god. Oh god, this bit's flooded. Oh, holy crap. Can we actually make it? Oh my god, we can just about. Oh my god. Oh, what? Jesus. This road's completely shut now. Oh my god. Crap. Jesus. Oh. Oh yeah. This bit's completely flooded. My god. Well, we can just about get through. That farm's flooded as well. There we go. Look at that. Oh my god. Yeah, road's completely shut. Oh my god. Oh my god, I can see it. Let's go. Oh, holy crap. Oh my god. Holy crap. Oh my god. This is. Oh my god. Oh. Yeah, Jesus Christ. This road is flooded. My god. Hello. Yeah. Can't wait to get this up on my YouTube. Excuse me. Thank you. It's alright. My god. This is so much worse. Bloody hell. The power of that. Oh my god. Feel this? Oh my god. That is so strong. Oh, Jesus Christ. This is very flooded. That is very strong. Getting that swept away. My God. That is severe. Very deep. My God. That is very deep. At least up to your hips. At least up to there. My God. Wow, this is just mad. This is just mad. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video. It's been crazy. Absolutely crazy. But yeah, I'll see you later. Goodbye.